Drones are starting to be used in a variety of use cases across different industries. One example is in agricultural settings, where they can survey huge areas of land in a matter of minutes to check for damage to crops, livestock, or the environment. In emergency situations such as fires, drones are used to check if there's anyone left in the building and even be used to help put out fires. Edge is relevant for drones because if they need to navigate autonomously, they have to be able to detect their surroundings, identify collisions, and navigate accordingly. This needs to be done in under 10 milliseconds. By using the edge, the processing required to help the drone navigate and analyze video data can be offloaded to a nearby node. In some cases, they may use 4K video cameras involving high graphic processing. Edge orchestration will be important to spin up virtual GPUs at different edge nodes as the drone moves through a wide area, and ensure that software and hardware can perform adequately to meet the demands from analyzing vast quantities of data in real time.